back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set your GitHub profile. Want to make your GitHub profile stand out? In this video, I'll show you how to set up and customize your GitHub profile easily. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to sign in to GitHub, and to do that, just open your browser and then go to github.com. Once the website appears, sign in using your account credentials and log in. Now once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard, as you can see on the screen. The second step is to edit your profile, and to do that, just click on your profile picture and then click on your profile here and then click on edit profile. As you can see here, you can edit the name, you can add a bio, you can also mention others and organizations to link them. You can use pronouns, you can identify the company, the location, the website, and the social accounts. The third step is to add a profile picture. And to do that, click your avatar and upload a high quality image. Just by clicking on this one right here, and click on edit, and click on upload photo and navigate to the picture you want to choose. The fourth step is to create a GitHub readme, and this step is optional. And to do that, just go to the repositories, click on them, and name your username and add a readme file with your bio. And you can also use Markdown to format your readme profile creatively, and you can also add social media links in your bio and pin your best repositories on your profile. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you set up your GitHub profile, customize your details, add the readme, and showcase your skills. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.